Hello everyone, today I will demonstrate how to configure the landing page of the website. So you need to follow the path, log in the admin account, go in the configure section, site menu, landing page. Landing page is also known as the home page of the website. Admins can make landing page more attractive so that more and more customers can attract towards the website. So for the easy access of the admins, we have given following different sections in the admin. There are different templates made already available for the admin, and by looking in the names for the particular sections, admin can add it in the way they want. So I'll be clicking on this checkbox to enable the landing page for all the users, and I'll just be previewing the web page. So this is the landing page of the website. First section is the hero section where the slogan and the description of the platform list is up. Second section, we have one of the sections where we can give a title and a paragraph like this. Another section we have where admin can make a section without a background image but can have a button over here, and by clicking on that button a followed path has been given to that button and we used to travel down there. So there are particular sections available next is the particular sections where single column info section without call to action button. That means we can add a background image in this section. So for this particular section, I'll be going in the landing page, and this is the fourth section, that is info section, single info without call to action button. I can edit this section. So this is the title. So I am writing the title as and we can give title color from here, whatever title color that I want. I can just give it from here. I can choose that if I want to give a background color, I can give that. If I want to give the background image, if I do not want to give anything. So let's say I am giving the background color as plague. So I can display the button if I want, and by just clicking this checkbox, else I cannot. So this is the description written over here, and I can give the description color as well. And just I can have, for the easy access of the admin, we have given preview button in each and every section, so admin can preview before saving the section. So just like this, I have given the background color, I have given the title name, I have given the description, and I have given the color for both the title name and the description. Likewise, admin can choose to give a background image as it was earlier. So just I can save this section. So likewise, we can have another section, that is single column info section without call to action button. Means that is we can have a button over here just like the upper section, but we can have a button over here and we can go by clicking on this button, we can follow the path. So just below that there is an section, single info with background and CTA, call to action button. Just I am editing this also. I'm giving the background colors as black only. Any color that you want, any color that admin wants, he can. So I'm displaying this button. I'm showing you how to. So I can write the name of the title of the button, anything I want. That is, suppose I want to write sign up, and I will give the path for this button. Means when clicking on this particular button in this particular section, where admin wants that the user should go. So I'm just clicking over here, that I'm just giving the path for this button. So I want, and I can choose the button color that anything I want, button HO color whenever I move the cursor on that button. So it will list like this. So I can give the description, and description color I can choose. So I'll just be saving this section, that is single column info section with background image and call to action button. So I'll just be refreshing this, and so we have edited this section, that is, we have given the title, we have given the description, we have given the color for them, and we have written button also. The button text color was green, and H over color, whenever I move the cursor on this button, the color is changing. So we have configured, admin has configured this section like this, and it is appearing so over here. So however admin wants, he can make the section look beautiful. So by clicking on this button, I'll be just going on the path over here. So I first need to log out, and just I can have a sign up path over here. Next sections is the section where admin can set up a title and paragraph and another button and background color or image, anything. Next section is that admin can set information in particular 2 columns, that is 2 column info section with icons and buttons. Admin can apply icons in each and every column the way they want. So I can write the title of the column, I can write the description of the column. So for particular editing is this, we need to follow 2 column info with icons and buttons. So I can, if I'll be editing anything from here, it will reflect. So just I'm editing one thing, that is I'm applying a background color over here as a black, and just I'm previewing the section. So likewise I have just edited the section, and I can choose the I can display the button if I want. I need to click on the checkbox from here. I can choose any icon from the list that I have, and I can configure this action. So in this section there will be a title, there will be a title color. We can apply a background image or a background color if we want. We can display a button in each and every column. So this is the first particular column, and there will be a button. description. So likewise, there will be a title for the column 2. That means a separate column will be there. Again, in the particular column, we can give a button, and just like we can have it. So it will. So similarly, one button, if I enable checkbox of the buttons, one button will list up over here and one button will list up over here. So just I'll be clicking on the save button. Next information, next column or default template we have, that is default 2-column info section without icons and buttons. That means we'll not be showing icons in this section. We'll be showing only the column name and column description. Another section we have that where we can have 3 columns with the icons and buttons. That means we can have 3 columns in this section and three descriptions for each column. We can have button if we want. So just admin needs to edit this section, 3-column info with icons and buttons. Next is 3-column info without icons and buttons. This is also the particular section just below it. In this section, we do not have icons as well as buttons over here. So admin can configure in the way they want. So likewise, next is the footer section. We can configure the footer section by traveling in the side menu footer, and we need to check this checkbox, that is footer enabled. We can give any link to the footer we want. We can give the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram links. For example, suppose I am enabling Facebook, I am enabling Twitter, I am enabling Instagram, and just so I can have Android and iOS link also there, and I can write at the rate of 2020, and just I'll be clicking on the save settings button, and when refreshing the page we can have a footer over here. So this is the Facebook link of the admin, Twitter, and the Instagram link for the, it will take me the particular link of the admin's account, and we can have, if I'll click on the Google Pay, then it will take me the link of the Google Play Store, and if I'll click on the App Store, it will take me the App Store link. So likewise, we can configure many sections in the landing page, as many sections admin wants for his website. So besides the default templates, we have given the many sections, that is info section, just like the sections we have updated earlier. Info sections with columns, location sections. In the location section, we can add a pictures over here. Listing sections. One is the listing sections. In the listing sections, all the main projects, 1 or 2 or 3 projects admin can show on the landing page, so that users or customers will attract by seeing the price of the projects or the quality of the projects. Next is the category sections. Category sections is one of the important sections for the landing page. So I'm just showing you how to configure the category section. Suppose I can write a name freelancer categories, right? If I want to display the button in this particular section, that is in this category section, I will check this checkbox, and I can write the title and button path and color to the button and edge over color, as we have seen earlier in the many sections, and I can write the description. So what all categories I have set on the platform, they are listing up over here mobile app developer, design, and select category. So I have added the images also in this. So for if admin wants this section on the landing page, so he needs to include at least 3 categories. So if he wants only the 2 categories to be landing page, then it is not possible. We need at least 3 categories to have this section on the landing page. So I'm choosing this color, category h over color, as this one. Means when I'll take a cursor on this category, this color will appear. So I'm saving this section. So I have made the category section, and just I'll be refreshing the page. So I'll just be previewing the page from here. So we have added the categories. So this is the particular category sections, how we can add categories in the landing page. So this is the categories. This is the title. We can give a background image if we want, and we can have this color as a background image for each and every category. Likewise, I have another section named as video section. So we can have a YouTube video link in the landing page. For example, I am just adding, I'll show you how to add a video in the landing page. So I'll just copy this link, and just I'll paste up over here. Okay, and but we will not add all the URL of this link, but only we need the YouTube video ID, that is the particular thing, right? So I have the YouTube video where we can have a height and width the way we want, right? And the way title I want. So I can just preview from here. See, YouTube video has been added over here. So I'll just add the video from here, and this I'll be previewing it. So in this way we can add a video to our landing page if we want to add. We can add only the YouTube video link, right? And that too we need to add only the YouTube video ID in the link provided. Likewise, we have a carousel listing and business category section. We have another important section named as multiple listing. So I am just giving the title for this section, that is in this particular section, that is multiple listing section. We can list up the main 7 to 8 projects on our website in order to attract the customers. So we can have a button if we want for this section. So I'm giving the description for this section. So select listing means what all projects we have posted on this platform, they all will list up over here, and we need to choose the best 7 or 8 projects for attracting the customers. So I'm choosing I'm not writing anything price, color, and we can set the price of the color way we want. Suppose I'm choosing this. Description background color we can choose. Description text color we can choose. And then I'll be saving this section. Just previewing it. See, so we can give the section that is here, from here. I'm just editing the color, background color. Give the white. So this one is nice, right? So I'm just saving the section. So admin has added this particular section, and if I want that this section should be the next to this section, main section, so admin can have it from here. He can move upwards from here only. So right, so this will be the next section. So this is the hero section, and this section we have moved to the upper one in the second last. So like this, we have added the multiple listing section. So this is price, the posted honor name we can have. So in this way, to attract the customers, admin can set the landing page. We can delete the section anytime we want by clicking on this cross button, and we can move the sections the way in the order the way we want. We can edit each section, and each section we have given a preview button. So in order to see that how the section looks, admin can just click on the preview button in order to again and again save it. So this way admin can set up the main sections for his landing page. We have all the sections, and landing page is fully configurable in Husky platform. Thank you everyone.